The door in my SLK is really creaky. If yours sounds like that, have a look. You might notice one of these bolts is loose. So, let's tighten it up. Check the other one as well while I'm here. Oh, yep, that one's loose too. Much better. I think there's scope for getting some more grease in there, maybe make it even quieter. And I think though, to get to that, you've probably got to take the door trim off, which I'm not going to do right now. But there we go. If it's really noisy, check these bolts. Might be causing it. Hope that was helpful. Put a comment in the chat if it was. Thanks for watching.